jumping jaguar says j, j, j. J says j. Put your lips in a circle and make a noisy burst of air. J. Awesome. Now we're going to do our warm-up. I'm going to go first, and then it's your turn. J, G, J. Your turn. Good job. Remember, lips in a circle and make a noisy burst. Joe, Jew. Great job making your J sound.
Let's play. I have some J words hiding in my bean bin. Let's see what we can find. Jingle bells. Can you say jingle? Round your lips and make a burst of air. Jingle. Good job. Juice. Your turn. Say juice. Round your lips and make that noisy burst. Juice. I want to drink it. It's apple juice. Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. I see these around Halloween. I can wind this one up and make it go. Go, jack-o'-lantern. I have one more thing hiding. Jellyfish. Put your lips in a circle and make that noisy burst. Jellyfish. Your turn. Good job saying jellyfish. Thanks for playing, kids. Great job working on your J sound today. Goodbye.